Well, I have to say, it tastes great. It tastes delicious. And it is good. It's very good. Hey, what up, you guys? Sometime Kev's here. Middle February, a little bit of break in the weather, going to be a 60-degree day. But today we are in Poppy's kitchen, and this is the first of a series. We're gonna work on TikTok viral food videos for the next few weeks. So this is the first in a series of the TikTok viral food videos, and this is number 1. Alright, so what we got is the viral TikTok food video of the high protein pizza with flour tortillas, not sour cream, cottage cheese, eggs, mozzarella, and a topping. And I cooked it as the directions said. And it was a little bit difficult, turned out very wet, so I had to bake it for 10 minutes. It turned out more like a souffle than a pizza. It does look okay. Got a little burn on the bottom, so maybe I used too much or something, but we'll see how it tastes. Well, I have to say, it tastes great. It tastes delicious. Maybe I need to use a bigger saucer and spread it out and make it a little thinner, so that because it was real wet when I finished cooking it for 10 minutes on the stove. It was center, so I baked it for 10 more minutes at 350. And it is good. It's very good. So I have to give that a ease. That's a 9 out of 10 on ease. Easy. Taste, I'm gonna give that like an 8. It's got delicious flavor. Texture's great. Maybe just the cooking instructions or the way I cooked it wasn't quite that great, but it's more like a souffle and a pizza mix. But I have to say, I'd make it again, especially to get away from the humdrum eggs and bacon and toast and your typical breakfasts. I'd do it again.